Hello traders, I welcome you to E-marketTubeFX, and you are with your trader Henry Ampemdako. Today I have a good news for you. If you are a trader and you are looking for a broker that can help you to earn more whilst you trade, then I introduce Weltrade Broker to you. Why am I saying this? Weltrade is a well-regulated broker which is helping traders to earn more while they trade. Weltrade have introduced a Welcoin which helps traders to earn Welcoins whilst they trade. And this is the main reason why today I'm doing this video, to assist you traders as to how you can activate this Welcoin in your Weltrade account, so that as and when you push a button for a buy or sell, then the broker is also giving you or crediting your account with coins of which you can exchange for real money. Yes, you can change it for real money of which you can withdraw. So today, this is what I have for you. So you've joined me on YouTube or any other social media handle. All I want to tell you is that make sure you watch this video to the end. Then don't forget to subscribe, you like and share. So for me to take you through how you can activate this Welcoin in your Weltrade account, all you need to do is to log into your Weltrade account, then you do the activation there. So let me quickly walk you guys through as to how you can do it. Also, after type in your email address and password, all you need to do now is to hit on the sign in button, then you can access your account. So let's hit on the sign in. Okay traders, so now that we are in our Weltrade account, as you can see, for you to activate the Welcoin in your account, all you need to do is to come to account. So you come to account at the bottom right corner. You click on account, then you can access the Welcoin that we want to activate. So as you can see, this is what we are looking for. This is what we are looking for. The Welcoin new, because it's something new that they've introduced. So you need to activate. So for you to activate, all you need to click on is to click on the Welcoin. Let's wait for it to load. Let's wait for it to load, then we can activate it. Remember, you are with E-marketTubeFX. You are with your trader Henry Ampemdako. Today we are looking at how we can activate Welcoin in our Weltrade account. Welcoin, as you can see now neatly, we are on the right page where we are to activate this Welcoin in our Weltrade account. And what does this Welcoin mean? As you can see on your screen, Welcoins are our internal digital currency and part of our loyalty program. Earn Welcoins effortlessly as you trade and change them to cash rewards or exciting items in Welshop. So that is the Welcoin that Weltrade Broker is giving to their traders. So now for you to activate, all you need to do is to click on learn now, learn more. Yes, you click on learn more, then you will have opportunity to activate the Welcoin in your Weltrade account. So at this very moment, I want us to go through everything here, then we can activate. The activation button is what you see at the bottom. Let's go through. So as I earlier read to you, say Welcoin is a Weltrade internal currency which can be used to redeem trading bonuses and exclusive items in a dedicated reward section. How to activate. To start earning Welcoin, activate your virtual account for storing coins. It's simple. Click on the activate Welcoin button in your personal account and everything will be set up automatically. How to earn. Earn Welcoin by trading. So you can earn Welcoin by what? Trading. So as you trade, you earn Welcoin. For every cent spent on spreads, you will receive 1 coin. Welcoins are automatically credited to your virtual account after every closed deal. For pro and synthetic account, 1 coin is equal to 0.01, which is 1 cent of traded spread. So for every 1 coin is equal to 1 cent of traded spread for those with pro and synthetic account. Then for micro and premium account, 1 coin is equal to 2 cents of traded spread. So you take note. 1 coin for micro and that of premium account, 1 coin is equivalent or equal to 2 cents of traded spread. That is what Weltrade Broker is giving to you as a trader, and me, Henry, also as a trader. Remember, you are with E-marketTubeFX and you are with your trader, Henry. I'm Pim Dako. Let's quickly go through the last section, then we can activate our Weltrade Welcoin in our Weltrade account. Spend, so that is where to spend. Spend your Welcoins in the Workshop section of your personal account. Exchange your accumulated coins for vouchers with real money in the future. The reward selection will expand based on our feedback. So at this section, all we need to do now is to activate this Welcoin in our Weltrade account so that at any given time that we trade, whilst we push button for buy and sell, this broker will also be crediting our account with the Welcoins. So interesting days ahead. This is something new that this broker has introduced. So if you're a trader and you want to earn whilst trading, then I recommend Weltrade Broker to you. It's a secure broker, well regulated, of which as and when you trade and you make profit and you want to withdraw, you can easily do that via all payment platforms. It's available. You can do your withdrawal through mobile money, depending on your country, the network that you use. You can withdraw through that. You can also withdraw through all crypto networks, be it Ethereum, be it BTC, any network that you want to, or cryptocurrency that you want to withdraw your profit, you can do that. Then other payment platform like Scroll, any, they have so many withdrawal platforms or payment platform that you can withdraw your money. So it's a broker that personally I trade with. So if you're also thinking of getting or trading with any broker that can help you to make a fast withdrawal as and when you make profit from the market, then I recommend Weltrade Broker to you. And as I earlier mentioned, it's a secured broker, well regulated as well. So that is it. So without wasting much of your time, let's click on activate now. Then we see how it works. So now we've hit on activate now. We are waiting for the system to activate Forex. So if you also want to activate, this is the procedure you are supposed to go through to activate the Welcoin in your Weltrade account. So as you can see now, I have activated the Welcoin in my Weltrade account. I've activated it. So it is something new that Weltrade have introduced. So as I trade at any given point in time that I trade, anytime that I trade, it means that I'll be earning Welcoin in my Weltrade account. So now, as you can see, because I activated it now, my account balance is 0.00. So from now onwards, anytime that I trade, Weltrade is going to credit my account with a Welcoins, of which I can change for real money. That is the interesting part, of which I can change for real money. So this is how you can activate your Welcoin in your Weltrade account. So today at E-marketTubeFX, this is what I have for you. This is what I have for you. So if you need a broker to trade with, I introduce Weltrade Broker to you. All you need as a trader, you can access it at Weltrade Broker. You can trade synthetics there. You can trade CFD. If I say CFD, you can trade the currency pairs. You can also trade commodities. You can also trade indices. Then cryptocurrency, you can also trade. So this is what I have for you. If you join me on YouTube, Facebook, or any other social media handle, do all and subscribe. This is E-marketTubeFX, and this is what I have for you today. We looked at how we can activate our Welcoin account in Weltrade Broker. So this is what I have for you. Long live Forex, long live E-marketTubeFX. Bye bye.